All right, so first up, you need to open up your website. Once you open it up here, as you can see, I've already opened up create.roblox.com, and you actually have to go to Roblox Creator Hub. And if you can find it, just basically put this on your address bar. It's create.roblox.com, and just search it up just like that. Let me show you again. Create.roblox.com, and here, as you can see, it pops up just like that. And here we are. Now what you need to do is just go ahead and press on creations, and creations are over here. You will be able to see two options. One's your own place, and you can create your own experience as well. And you can just go ahead and press on your own place because it's by default. Just go ahead and press on that. And right over here, as you can see, you'll see some options, but you just gotta go ahead and scroll down a bit until you see the option of monetization, right? This one, and just go ahead and press on passes. And right over here, as you can see, that there is passes option, but to create one, just go ahead and press on create a pass. And here, as you can see, and you will see three options. First one being the image, and second one being the name and description. So to put an image for your game pass, whatever, you just go ahead and press on change, and you can just put a picture on it, whatever picture you would like to use. So yeah, I don't want to use any picture. I'm just gonna let it normal, and I'm just gonna type in Game Pass 2, and I can also give a description just like that. And once it's done, just go ahead and press on create pass. And here, as you can see, this one's done, and it says off sale. So what you need to do is just press on these three dots right over here and press on open a new tab. Once you do this, here, as you can see, it'll show this again, but you just gotta go ahead and press on sales. Right over here, you need to make sure this item is for sale. Just go ahead and open this up and then give it a price. I'm just gonna give it a price for around 250 Robux, depending on whatever price you would like to put it on. And it's gonna verify, take a while to verify. And then once it's done, you can also check the regional price for each and every country. Here, as you can see, it will show you all the prices. But you just gotta go ahead and press on save changes. Once it's done, as here, as you can see, it says pass updated. Go ahead, and you just need to make sure you copy the asset ID. And just to be sure, you have to play Roblox once. I haven't played Roblox in this account, or it's just my new spam account, but you need to play Roblox in it to get the experience or get your game pass shown. But you just need to go ahead and press on monetization, go to your passes again, and here, as you can see, it will show the passes in a bit. And here, as you can see, this is my pass, and it's enabled, and it's the Game Pass 2. So what you need to do right over here is just press on these three dots again and copy the URL. And just simply what you need to do is just go ahead and press this one right over here, and it's gonna be making sure. But if it's not showing, that means that I haven't even logged into my Roblox. So if it's not showing for me, it will definitely show for you, because I haven't played any Roblox game. And yeah, hope you find it useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.